Posting Snapchat videos made this 19-year-old $3 million in 3 weeks. Quick math tells me that's $1 million per week, and you would love to do the same thing. So why don't you?
I don't know how, Logan.
Oh, well neither did I a year ago, and since then I've made almost 6 figures.
Me too. I'm only 15 and I made $250K.
Same. Snapchat money bought me this charger right here.
I quit my job and bought a house because of Snapchat.
See, all ages are doing this, and I'm not just gonna tell you how to do it, I'm gonna show you each step by starting a new Snapchat from scratch. But first, let me explain how getting paid this much is possible. It all started in November of 2020. TikTok was popping off and other platforms needed to find a way to compete. So Instagram made Reels, YouTube made Shorts, and Snapchat made Spotlight. They were all knockoffs of TokTik's For You page and miserably failed at first, which in return made the companies decide to pay users for posting on their platforms. Instagram paid $4 per 1,000 views, YouTube introduced a creator fund, and Snapchat gave away $1 million per day. How this worked was the 100 most viewed videos in a day would receive a portion of that 7-figure prize pool, with first place receiving anywhere from 100 to 200K and 100 still getting a few grand. And the craziest part about this is anyone can do it. You don't have to be some huge influencer or get selected into the program. If your video's in the top 100, you will get paid. Like my friend Joe never made content in his life until Snapchat and has since made almost 6 figures.
I was just a regular college kid, honestly looking for a way to make money to pay for school. And so what I started doing was posting like up to 20 videos a day. Eventually one just popped off and I got paid. And I remember getting that first message and I was like, I have to stick with this. You know, I'm almost at the 6 figures mark, which is insane, and it's just such a blessing.
Okay, now that y'all know it's possible, I'm gonna show you how to do it. There's 4 main ways to start making money from Spotlight. One is creating a niche page where you post things like Family Guy, anime, or travel edits. Second is being a typical influencer where you post your TikTok content but on Snapchat. Third is posting that useless content that makes up 80% of Snapchat's feed. You know, the 5-second clips that lower your IQ after watching them. And fourth is thirst trapping as a hot female. All of these strategies have been proven to work time after time, and I'm gonna try to make $1,000 from each of them in this video. Well, besides the thirst trapping, I'm saving that for my OnlyFans. Account 1, influencer page. To make an influencer page, just open a new Snap account, create a public profile, and bam, now you're ready to get paid. It is indeed that easy, and my strategy to make 1K from this account is posting one of my TikToks every hour throughout the challenge. Posting at this rate will allow me to get a solid amount of videos uploaded without being flagged as a spammer. Account 2, niche page. I have 2 options for the niche account. I either spend hours making my own edits or I yoink content from an already popular page. And of course I'm gonna do the right thing. Impersonate my friend Dylan. This will save me tons of time because I don't need to create the content, and I won't feel bad because I know the person I'm stealing it from. Plus, I always tell Dylan to post on Spotlight and he doesn't, so if I make a lot of money from his videos, I'm gonna roast the hell out of him at the end of this challenge. Account 3, the stupid content page. This is by far the easiest account to create and make loads of money from. Just name the account after yourself and film the dumbest, most random things you could think of. Like for example, this video of me drawing colorful hearts made me $800. It's kind of like trading NFTs. The dumber you are, the more money you make. And by the way, if your account doesn't have the public profile option, I teach you how to fix that in this tutorial.
The following day.
Alright boys, it's the morning of day 1. I just posted a few spotlights on the niche and influencer pages, and now it's time to spend 2 hours straight making some stupid content.
Your whip is a toilet, you looking like poop in it.
I lost my virginity to this stuffed animal. 37. What do you call a fish with no eyes?
I want your mouth, can't zoom.
Oh, that was exhausting. Before I passed out this morning, I made a total of 87 videos, and so far, none of them have more than 1,000 views. But that's typical because on average, it takes 24 hours until they start getting promoted. So while we wait for those results, I'm gonna go to a place where a lot of dumb videos are made. The mini golf course. This place has unlimited opportunities from trick shots to my viral if he makes it series. So I'm pretty positive one of these will go viral. And to make it even more interesting, if my neighbor beats me in a round of 18, I'll give him half the money these videos make. If he gets a hole in one through the mystery hole, I will give him my course. Let's see if he can do it. So we're on hole 9 right now, and if he makes this putt, he'll be 1 under me. No, dude, why are you so good?
The green and the little sewer drain. Is he gonna make it? Oh, come on. Come on.
It all comes down to this. If I make this putt in 3 shots, I win, and if I don't, he could get a lot of money. Yes, baby.
The following day.
Over overnight I got this wonderful notification saying one of the videos already has over 10K views. So that means it could have potentially gone mega viral and got millions, or stopped at 11K. Let's find out. All right, there's one with 3K, 2K, 28K, and 19K. So none went viral yet, but there's a few that definitely could. And as for the other accounts, none of their videos have over 1K. The stupid content is clearly working the best, so I'm gonna try to film like 100 more dumb videos today. Yeehaw, we got our first semi-viral video. It was a recreation of my previous viral heart spotlight and currently has 64K views. It's definitely on the right track to pay me, but if it doesn't, that's fine, because there's currently 8 other spotlights starting to get thousands of views. Plus the 100 more I filmed today could also pop off. So I'm feeling very confident I get at least one payment from the stupid content page. But as for the other accounts, well, they are flopping hard. And the only thing I can think of to revive them is posting 10 times an hour instead of once. So I'm gonna start doing that tonight, and hopefully by the end of tomorrow we have some viral spotlights on every account. Oh hey there, it's now day 3 and I'm at the skate park filming tons of spotlights. If he lands this trick, cheerleading is not a sport.
Smoking OG pinky full of big rocks. We don't switch sides, not on this block.
Instead of college. And that's a wrap. Besides posting a few more videos tonight, the Snapchat challenge is officially over. Now we just have to wait for Snapchat's message about how much money I made. Alright, how getting paid works is you need a video with at least 120 to 180K views in a 24-hour period PST time. So since I'm on the East Coast, that means my videos would have to get 120K plus views between 3 a.m. and 3 a.m. on any given day. And I know what you're thinking.
But Logan, what if it got 200K views in 24 hours, but half was before 3 a.m. and half was after?
Well, that means I'm shit out of luck, and trust me, I've had that happen many times. Many times. Anyway, when you do get enough views in 24 hours, Snapchat will send you a notification saying you got paid and you'll receive crystals. Not the ones that weird girls worship. Snapchat crystals actually have value and can be transferred into money. And I'll let my friend Tyler tell you how much each crystal is worth, because he just got 2.5 million of them.
What up? My name's Tyler. I was at the local LA Fitness a couple weeks ago. Spent about an hour filming a dunk contest, and that resulted in about 40 to 45 million views over 4 to 5 videos. And I got 2.5 million crystals from that, and just got paid out today 250 grand.
So what you're saying is you spent an hour at a basketball court and made $250,000?
Yeah, it's crazy, but we want to know how much you made.
Yeah, I guess I have to tell them though. Okay, starting with my new influencer page, it got a total of 19,000 views, which of course means I didn't get paid. Then the same thing happened on the impersonating Dylan account, a few K views with $0 made, but the stupid content page came in clutch and got over 400K views in total. Those views were split between hundreds of videos with low views, 7 videos between 10 to 80K, and 1 video with over 6 figures. And that 6-figure video resulted in this beautiful notification. Yup, I got paid, baby. But unfortunately, I won't know how much I made for a few months because new accounts take a while to get their crystals tab. So make sure to subscribe to see those results eventually. And in the meantime, I'll do a second Snapchat challenge if this video gets 500 likes. Peace.